Hello everyone. Today we're making mackerel burger patties. It's a simple dish made with canned mackerels. To start off, we're going to dice these white onions. After dicing it, place it in a small container or a ramekin bowl like I have here. Open 2 cans of canned mackerel. Drain the juice with the strainer. Grab a fork and break the mackerel into pieces. The smaller pieces the better, so that it's easier to form it into a patty. And here I'm transferring the mackerel juice that we drained earlier. In a bowl, add the diced onions, the mashed mackerel. I'm going to mix this all together. Add 1 egg. A pinch of black pepper. And a half cup of panko breadcrumbs. Mix the ingredients all together now. Grab a handful and shape it just like a regular hamburger patty. Just like this one. And here's our raw mackerel patties. I was able to make 3 patties using 2 canned mackerels. Alright, it's time to fry these. In a hot pan, I added cooking oil. In goes the mackerel patty. Going to cook this until it browns before flipping it. When it starts to brown, it's time to flip it and cook the other side. Give the other side a little browning as well before removing it from the pan. And here's our cooked mackerel patties. For the sauce, I'm using this lemon herb aioli that I bought from the grocery. I've been using this for quite some time now, and it really pairs well with the fish dishes. For the sides, I'm just going to chop up some lettuce. For the plating, I'm just going to put 2 pieces of the mackerel burger patties, the lettuce, and here's the lemon herb aioli sauce. Alright, it's time to take a bite. It's delicious. The flavor of the sauce and the mackerel blends well with each other. As I grab another bite, I think you should try making this at home. It's cheap and it's very easy to make. If you don't have the sauce, you can just use a combination of ketchup and honey mustard. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.